In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype an image zoom-on hover effect in Figma. To start, open up Figma and create a new design file. We'll begin by placing an image on our canvas. You can simply drag and drop an image file directly onto your design area, or use the Place Image option from the Figma menu. Choose any image you wish to apply this interactive zoom effect to. Once your image is on the canvas, select it and navigate to the right-hand sidebar. In the Auto Layout section, click Add Auto Layout. This action wraps your image in a flexible container, which is crucial for precisely controlling its spacing and enabling a clean, contained zoom effect later on. With the Auto Layout frame selected, you'll see padding options on the right. It's important to set both the vertical and horizontal padding values to 0. This ensures the image fills its container entirely, without any additional white space around it, giving us a clean foundation for our zoom animation. Next, let's transform this auto layout frame into a reusable component. Select your frame, right-click, and choose Create Component. Components are a fundamental part of Figma for building interactive prototypes, allowing us to define different states for our design elements and reuse them efficiently. Now, with your newly created component selected, go to the Variants section in the right sidebar and click the plus icon to add variant. This action generates a second version of your component, which will represent the zoomed-in state when a user hovers over the image. Select this second variant within your component set. Inside this variant, make sure you specifically select the image layer itself, not the encompassing frame. Now, scale up the image to achieve your desired zoom level. This transformation defines the appearance your image will have when hovered. It's time to add the interaction that connects these two states. Switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Select your initial component variant, the unzoomed one. You'll notice a small circular handle appear on its right edge. Click and drag this circle to connect it to the second, zoomed-in variant. When the Interaction Details panel automatically appears, set the interaction type to While Hovering. This crucial setting ensures that the zoom effect activates only when the user's mouse cursor is positioned directly over the image, providing an intuitive user experience. For a smooth and professional-looking animation, select Smart Animate as the animation type. Figma's Smart Animate feature is excellent for creating elegant transitions by intelligently interpolating properties like position, scale, and opacity between your component variants. To refine the feel of the animation, choose Slow for the easing option. This will give the zoom a gentle start and end, making the transition feel more natural and less abrupt. Feel free to experiment with other easing options to find what best suits your design aesthetic. To test your new interactive component, create a new frame on your canvas. Then, open the Assets panel on the left sidebar. From there, locate and drag an instance of your component, which is your image with the zoom effect, onto this new frame. Finally, select your frame and click the Present button, which looks like a play icon, typically found in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This will open the prototype in a new tab. Move your mouse over the image, and you'll see your perfectly prototyped zoom-on hover effect in action. And that's how you prototype an image zoom-on hover effect in Figma. This simple yet effective technique can greatly enhance the interactivity and visual appeal of your designs. Thanks for watching.